Hey guys, it's me Anya, and today I will let Siri control my life. So this is gonna be very interesting, and please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. We are on our way to 250 subscribers, and let's just get started with this video, and I hope you enjoy. So as you can see, I have just woken up and I look so tired right now. But anyways, I'm just gonna freshen up, and then after that I'm gonna go for breakfast where Siri is gonna decide what I eat. And usually every day the only thing I have in the morning is a lot of cereal. So I kind of hope she picks that. Otherwise anything also is cool. So now I have freshened up and I'm really hungry now. So I'm gonna ask Siri what I can get to eat. So the options are: one is cereal, two is coffee, and three is toast. So let's see what Siri picks for us. Hey Siri, can you pick a number from 1 and
A
3?
random number between 1 and 3 is 2.
So I got the number 2, which means I have to make myself coffee. I would have preferred cereal any day, but I really like coffee, so it's okay. I mean, one day I can skip my cereal. It's fine. So let's just go make some coffee. So I finally made my coffee and it looks delicious. And this is actually the Charlie drink. So I will just link the video down in the description if you want to know how to make this. And I also will link down a playlist of all my recipes I've ever uploaded to this channel if you want to check that out. So let me just finish this and be back. So now that I'm done with my coffee, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and ask Siri what I should do now that I'm done with breakfast. So a few options are: one, study. This may seem like a bad option, but to be honest, I would rather get this because I have a test tomorrow, so I need to study for it. And then the second option is to make slime. Third option is to watch TV, and fourth option is to watch YouTube. So let's see what I get. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 4.
It's 1.
Okay, so I guess I have to study then. So I am finally done revising for my test, and I am really glad that Siri is getting to pick my day today because I'm being productive, and I would have probably wasted it like just doing nothing, and I procrastinate a lot. So unfortunately, Siri will not be picking what I eat for lunch because I need to have something healthy, and yeah, whatever my mom's made, I need to eat that. But for dinner, I will be asking Siri what I get to order. So that's gonna be exciting. So let me just go have lunch and then be back. I am done with lunch and now I have nothing to do. So I'm going to ask Siri what I should do. Option 1 is to scroll through Instagram. Option 2 is to practice for a cover. Option 3 is to watch YouTube, and option 4 is to draw something. So let's see what Siri picks for me. Hey Siri, pick a number from 1 to 4.
The answer is 3.
As y'all can see, I got the number 3, which means I have to watch YouTube. So I will see y'all after an hour. So y'all just saw an impromptu slash unplanned study session. I would have probably used this time to study for my test tomorrow if Siri hadn't already given it to me a few hours before. But now anyways that I'm done with another subject, we have to go down. Well, that's what Siri has to decide if we are gonna go down or if we're not going down. So 1 is going down and 2 is not going down. Hey Siri, pick a number from 1 and 2.
It's 1.
So we are going down. A question following up the previous one is: am I gonna cycle or am I walking? So 1 is walking and 2 is cycling. Hey Siri, pick a number from 1 and 2.
The answer is 2.
So we'll be cycling. What was that? Can someone genuinely tell me what those red lights are? I'm kind of actually freaking out right now. So Hey guys, so I am back from cycling and now I'm very tired, so I'm just gonna ask Siri what I should do next for relaxing and unwinding myself as it's almost the end of the day. And then, secondly, I need to also ask Siri what I'm gonna be eating, and I'm gonna be ordering it so that it comes in time for like dinner time. So, option one is to read a book, and option two is to watch YouTube slash scroll through Instagram. Hey Siri, pick a number from 1 and 2.
It's 1.
So I guess I'll be reading a book then. Also, before we proceed to read a book, we need to order the food online. So the options are as follows. Option 1 is pasta, option 2 is burger and fries, option 3 is pizza. Hey Siri, pick a number from 1 to 3.
It's 3.
So I'll be getting pizza. I mean, I'm very happy for that because that's like my favorite thing among these three. But I mean, I wouldn't mind any others too. So I have placed my order and I may have gone overboard and forgot what I was doing, but I ordered a lot of things. So here's my order. Yeah, that's all I can say. For the book that I'll be reading, no surprise, it's Harry Potter. And I just want to finish it because I don't have too much of it left. And for all of you curious people out there, I am at the part where Fred and George have left Hogwarts, and Harry is confessing to Ron and Hermione that he had given his Triwizard earnings to them to start a joke shop in Diagon Alley. So all my food has finally come, and I'm just gonna start eating.
Anyway, my mom always said things we use in a way coming back to us in the end. If not always in the way we expect. Sorry about your godfather, Harry.
Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe because 85% of y'all aren't. And don't forget to like and comment. And sorry for filming this outro the next day, but I was sleepy and I slept off. So peace.